Hello, little friends. Welcome back to Storytime Adventures. If you love magical stories and exciting journeys, you're in the right place. Make sure to click the subscribe button below so you never miss a new adventure. Now, let's dive into today's story. Zephyr and the Whispering Winds. High above the tallest mountains and the deepest seas, there was a magical place called Cloudscape. Cloudscape was a peaceful realm, where soft, fluffy clouds floated gently, and winds of all kinds gathered to dance and play. This was where Zephyr, the gentle breeze, called home. Every day in Cloudscape was filled with laughter and music. The winds would whisper secrets and sing sweet songs that traveled all the way down to the world below, helping everyone sleep peacefully at night. Zephyr loved his home and enjoyed watching the clouds drift by, creating beautiful shapes in the sky. One bright morning, as the sun painted the clouds with golden hues, Zephyr noticed something unusual. The windscape, as Cloudscape was also known, was eerily silent. The usual melodic whispers and cheerful songs were gone. Zephyr felt a little worried. What happened to our beautiful music, he wondered. Determined to bring back the harmony, Zephyr decided to go on a journey. He wanted to find out why the winds had stopped whispering and how he could help restore their songs. With a brave heart, Zephyr began his serene adventure across different wind territories. His first stop was the realm of Gale, the strong and mighty wind. Gale was known for his powerful gusts that could move even the heaviest sails on ships. Zephyr approached Gale with respect. "Hello, Gale. Can you help me understand why the winds have become silent?" Gale looked thoughtful, his presence commanding yet kind. "The winds are strong because they carry important messages and energy," he explained. "But sometimes we forget to listen to each other. To restore the whispers, you must learn the strength of resilience. Even when things are tough, we must stay strong and keep going." Zephyr thanked Gale and felt a bit stronger. He continued his journey, feeling more determined than ever. As Zephyr floated onward, he entered the playful territory of Whirlwind Meadow, a place where the winds loved to dance and play among the blooming cloud flowers. Here he met Breeze, the playful gust who loved to twirl and giggle with the other winds. Breeze was always cheerful and full of joy, bringing smiles wherever she went. Zephyr greeted her warmly. "Hi, Breeze. Do you know why the winds have stopped whispering?" Breeze giggled and swirled around Zephyr, creating small whirlpools of air. "Sometimes we get too busy playing and forget the importance of harmony," she said. "To bring back the whispers, you need to embrace the joy of playfulness while staying balanced with your duties." Zephyr listened carefully. He realized that having fun was important, but so was maintaining harmony among the winds. With a happy heart, he thanked Breeze and felt lighter as he continued his journey. Next, Zephyr drifted into the warm and gentle territory of sunny Zephyria, where the gentle winds brought warmth and comfort. Here he met Sirocco, the warm wind known for his kindness. Sirocco always helped those in need and spread warmth wherever he went. Zephyr approached him with hope. "Hello, Sirocco. I'm trying to bring back the whispers to Cloudscape. Can you help me?" Sirocco smiled kindly, his presence like a warm hug. "Of course, Zephyr. The key to restoring the whispers is kindness and understanding. Listen to the natural rhythms of the air and respect each wind's unique voice. When we all work together with kindness, harmony is restored." Zephyr felt a surge of inspiration. He thanked Sirocco and began to apply the lessons he had learned from his friends. Feeling more confident, Zephyr continued his journey to the Misty Mountains, a serene area where the winds were soft and the clouds were thick with mist. Here he met Nimbus, the thoughtful wind who loved to ponder and reflect. Nimbus moved slowly, creating gentle ripples in the mist. "Hello, Zephyr," Nimbus greeted. "I hear you're trying to bring back the whispers. Sometimes we need to take a moment to reflect and understand our true selves." Zephyr nodded, realizing that self-discovery was also an important part of restoring harmony. He thanked Nimbus and felt a deeper sense of purpose as he moved forward. As Zephyr sailed across the Rainbow Ridge, a vibrant area where colors danced through the clouds, he encountered Aurora, the cheerful wind who loved to paint the sky with colors. Aurora swirled around Zephyr, leaving trails of rainbow hues. "Hi, Zephyr. I heard you're on a special mission. Remember, creativity can bring beauty and harmony. Use your unique gifts to help restore the whispers." Inspired by Aurora's words, Zephyr felt encouraged to use his own gentle nature to weave harmony among the winds. He thanked Aurora and continued his peaceful journey with renewed energy. Finally, Zephyr reached the heart of Cloudscape, a grand area where all the winds gathered. He took a deep breath and began to apply everything he had learned. From Gale, he took resilience. From Breeze, playfulness. From Sirocco, kindness. From Nimbus, reflection. And from Aurora, creativity. Zephyr began to harmonize his own gentle winds, swirling them thoughtfully and listening carefully to the sounds around him. He respected each wind's unique voice and worked together with them to create a beautiful symphony of whispers and songs. Slowly but surely, the whispers began to return to Cloudscape. The winds started to sing once more, their melodies intertwining beautifully as they swirled together. The peaceful realm was alive with harmonious sounds, and the world below was lulled into a restful sleep once again. As the harmony was restored, Zephyr felt proud and happy. He had successfully brought back the soothing whispers to Cloudscape by learning to balance, listen, and embrace the natural rhythms of the air. All the wind spirits gathered to celebrate, thanking Zephyr for his dedication and courage. From that day on, the winds of Cloudscape never forgot the lessons Zephyr had taught them. They continued to whisper their secrets and sing their songs, ensuring that harmony and peace would always prevail in their magical realm. Isn't that a wonderful story, friends? Zephyr showed us how important it is to be strong like Gale, joyful like Breeze, kind like Sirocco, thoughtful like Nimbus, and creative like Aurora. By balancing these qualities, we can create harmony and bring peace to our world. Remember to listen, be resilient, playful, kind, reflective, and creative in everything you do. Thank you for joining us on this adventure. Don't forget to click the subscribe button for more magical stories. See you next time on Storytime Adventures.